Hello and welcome back. Today we have the HP 15-DY109FWM laptop. This is a Black Friday sale from Walmart, and at the time that I'm putting this out, you should have about 1 day to get this deal. Normally it's $3.99, and the specs are pretty nice, but I don't think it's worth $3.99, but it's definitely worth $2.49. It has a i3 Intel processor. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabyte SSD, and it has a HD screen, which is almost edge to edge, but there is a slight bezel. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this up, and I'll see what's in it, and then later on I'll give you a review of it. That's some strong tape. Okay, what do we have in the box? Push the box aside. Looks like we have some reading material, simple instructions for a quick setup. We got the padding, and we have the laptop. Let's see here. We have another box in here. This box has the power brick, the charger. Let's see. Go ahead and give you a quick look of the laptop. That's very nice. It's really thin and not bad. It's probably about 3.5 pounds, maybe less. Has 2 high-speed USB 3 ports. On the other side, looks like you have a full-size HDMI and a USB-C, and it is the fast one. You can't charge with it, but it does have fast transfer speeds. And it looks like it has a SD card slot and a headphone. And there's the power adapter. That's strange. The power adapter is sort of on the curve. I hope that's not going to be a problem in the future. Anyway, that is the unboxing of the HP 15-DY1091WM. This is probably, for right now, this is probably the only unboxing that you're going to see, and I'll try to get the review out pretty soon. This does come with Windows 10s, but it can be upgraded for free to the regular Windows 10 Home. But I haven't seen any other reviews on this one. I think this is a special laptop made just for Walmart, because I haven't been able to see any information on the HP website. So I'll try to get that out as soon as possible and give you a choice to get this. Like I said, there's 1 more day left on the Black Friday sale from Walmart, and hopefully I'll have this out in time and you'll be able to pick this up. Thanks for watching, and look for the review, and please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thanks.